So children, today we are going to learn about poem Beauty, which is written by the poet E.A. Shore. In this poem, he wanted to tell you that beauty is everywhere. Everything which appears to us beautiful, that is beauty. Okay. It has beauty like nature has beauty. If we like dresses, we like animals. So whatever appears to us beautiful, that is beauty. Even farmer likes their crops when they grow. We like plants when they grow. They look so beautiful. Flowers like so beautiful. People look so beautiful. Okay. So whatever we are seeing from our eyes, which appears to us beautiful, that is beauty. To someone, dog is beautiful. Its puppy is beautiful. To someone, mountains are beautiful. To someone, cat is beautiful. To someone, dresses are beautiful. To someone, houses are beautiful. Buildings are beautiful. To someone, parks are beautiful. To farmers, their crops are beautiful. Okay. So beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Even we can hear beauty. Like we listen to our favorite songs, the sound of that song is a beauty to us. We say very beautiful, very nice voice. We feel very much calm by listening to that voice. We can enjoy the sound by birds chirping. So whatever is beauty, everything in nature is beautiful, but it depends upon the person to whom something is beautiful and something is not. For everyone, beauty, definition of beauty is different. So in this poem, we are going to read what are the things appear to people that is beautiful. So now we are going to read the poem and then we will understand the poem line by line. Like beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. So you can see when we look at the sunlight, it appears beautiful to us. The rays of the sun appears very beautiful. They appear golden. That golden light appears to us. Even in winters, we feel so warmth and feel so beauty when sun appears in the sky. Okay. So corn, the trees, the birds. Again, the trees and the birds are looking beautiful, so beautiful. Whenever we get up early in the morning, we go to the park, we feel very relaxed to look at the trees and the birds. They give some feeling of calmness to us. They appear beautiful to us. Same way, corn growing and people working. The people who are working, farmers who are working, and they are growing their corns, they look so beautiful to them because they are very happy that their hard work has has given something to them, that their hard work is not in vain. When they see the crops, then they feel very much relaxed, very happy. Even I can give you one example that I have grown two plants at my home. One is money plant and one is of mint leaf. And when they grow, I daily watch these plants. I am so happy to see them. They appear so beautiful to me, and I am just seeing them growing at my home. And I am every time I am looking at them how much they have grown, so it they appear beautiful to me. Okay. So beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. It is the attitude of a person. Beauty is everywhere. Whatever appears to us beautiful, that is beauty. So the two misunderstood words we can see here: corn, the chief cereal crop of wheat, oats, maize, barley, etc., and harvest when the crop is ready for cutting. Okay. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a single chanting. Anything in earnest, sincere, and honest conviction. So we can hear the beauty even. Where we can hear the beauty even in the night, in the wind sighing. Okay, the sound of the wind gives us beauty. Rain falling, raindrops. When we hear the sound of raindrops, we feel beauty. And anything in earnest, sincere, and whatever is good to us, it shows us beauty. Like birds are chirping, we like the sounds of birds. We hear the music, okay, that also give us beauty. So these sounds which appears beautiful to us, we feel calm by hearing these sounds, they appear beautiful to us.